As-salah, as-salah. No matter what is happening in your lives, guys, don't ever leave off the salah. And yes, the shaitan will make you feel like this is hypocritical. How are you going to pray when you have a girlfriend? How are you going to pray when you are selling drugs? How are you going to pray when you just smoked weed? This is what a trap from the shaitan. I don't care what it is. What does Allah say? Inna salata tanha anil fahshay wal munkar. The salah, it removes the filth and the evil from your life. I'll tell you guys a story. A couple of years ago, I happened to be driving on the streets of Leicester, and I saw a bunch of our Somali brothers standing, smoking weed. So I parked up my car, went to these brothers. They were respectful enough to stop smoking. I told these brothers, guys, is it really fair? 25 minutes in the day, we can't give to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. 25 minutes. I can see what you're clearly doing right now in front of my eyes, but I don't care. All I want from you is 25 minutes of the day. Years down the line, I was in Al-Medina, and my dad normally brings Hajj and Umrah groups. On one of the Umrah groups that he brought, there was his brother, mashallah, was wearing a thobe, his beard now has grown, and he comes up to me and he says, do you remember me? I said, which lecture did we meet at? He goes, no. Do you remember you came up to us on that day and on that night? And he even reminded me I was smoking weed in front of your face. All I did was stop praying, even when I was engaging in all of this filth. I just started going to the masjid while sometimes I was buzzing. Slowly,